So this is the cupboard that I picked up free on Facebook Marketplace. It was double the thickness. I've cut it in half and I've done it to fit on there. I've just painted the doors, but you can't really see that. I've done the top so it fits into the window alcove part there. So the only thing is it's not attached anywhere, so as a temporary, until I know what else I'm going to do, because I don't know what else I can do, I'm going to use this tape. This is really strong adhesive, and I'm going to put it along the edge underneath there, underneath that side, and also around the back. I have got some on the top at the back, but I do need to glue this, that bit on. That's not stuck down yet. Yeah, so I forgot to take a picture of it before I cut it down, but you can get the gist. So that's it inside. There's loads of people outside chatting, that's why I've shut the doors. It's boiling hot in here. This isn't the best, well, not the best at cutting up wood, but I think it looks pretty good. I need to get some of this to go down the side. And I was going to paint it all, but I've decided I've just painted the doors and that's it. I can't be bothered with the rest of it. But I'm just pleased that I managed to get the shape of the window in there. So now I'm going to stick the Velcro down. I've put it down there, I just need to pull it off. It was just trying to get it straight in the against the back. That's it so far.